everyone, welcome back to Emily Kitchen. Who loves samosa? Me. Today we are going to make, not samosa, but Malaysia curry puff. Malaysia curry puff is very similar to samosa, so if you like samosa, you will definitely love this Malaysia curry puff. And in today's video, we are going to split into two parts. So the first part, we are going to start with the filling, and then we'll move on to do the skin. Okay, let's get started. Hello, we are back. We have already finished the first batch of Malaysia curry puff using the deep fry method, and I'm sure that some of you may be a bit hesitate to use so much oil, so I'm decided to go with the second method, which is put it in the oven, and we are going to see the results. Okay, stay tuned and we'll come back later. Hello everyone again. Now we have already finished the 2 batches of Malaysia curry puff. On the left hand side, it is the one that we deep fry, and you can see clearly the spirals and also the layers of the curry puff, and the colors is so beautiful, golden brown. On the other side, which is the one that we bake in the oven, the layers is not that visible and the color is more yellowish. And we are going to compare both of them in terms of their crispiness and also the texture. How does this sound? Definitely more crispier than the other one. And lastly, we are going to taste both of them. This is the deep fry. Very crispy and very flaky. This one is the one that we bake in the oven. It tastes very good too. But in terms of the crispiness, I still prefer the one which we deep fry. To conclude, both taste extremely good. However, if you like your curry puff to be more crispy and flaky and looks better, then I would suggest that you go to the deep fry method. If the texture and also the looks of the curry puff is not your concern, then I would suggest you use the oven method because it is less oily. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you again in the next episode. Bye!